Hey guys, it's me, Jay, and I'm here with Kelvin, and today we are doing pumpkin carving, and we just want you to know that we thank you guys for supporting us all the way through our time on YouTube, and let's get started on pumpkin carving. Have y'all guys ever seen like any good movies, or like what is your favorite? My favorite right now is the new Netflix series called Squid Games, and it's now in a top 10 Squid Game list. And what it's about, give me that. And what it's about is, just give me the same one. Now that we got that straight, we can finally start taking this stuff out of our pumpkin. It's pretty messy, so we're gonna have to clean this up after the video. It's really hard.
Oh, yeah. Chop it down.
Oh, it feels like I'm taking out brains.
This stinks.
Hey guys, we are back, and we had to do some stuff off camera because it was kind of messy, and we finally got the stuff, well, the eyes and face on our pumpkins, and I found out what a haul was. It's basically when you go to a certain store and you buy really cool things and you show it. It's basically like a show and tell as a kid, except for it's October and Halloween. And the first thing that we wanted to show you are these masks that we got at Dollar General. And the reason I chose is because I liked how it looked, how they have this so it covers your whole entire face and not just like these like rubber things you put on the back and it shows the back of your head, because my hair tends to stick out a lot and like it just makes like a whole like a line on the bottom. So I like what they did. And the color on the front, it's very colorful. Like you have to look at it a certain way and you'll see some blue, some yellow, and some purple. And yeah, it was basically a skull.
The reason why I picked this was because I was gonna put a skeleton and I was gonna put the mask on the skeleton's face and make it look like it was a real person.
Yeah, and the next thing we want to show you is, this is Kelvin's actually. So would you like to show them?
The reason why I was gonna pick this was I was gonna have a special device for the eyes to like glow and this whole thing to glow and make it like talk or act like it was gonna talk or something like that. And yeah.
The next thing I want to show you is these cool flashlights we got, and I don't really know what we're gonna use them for. I think we're gonna use them for the pumpkins, or later on, and you can like tell scary stories and stuff. They also light up, so that's really cool. And is that it?
Nope.
And I think that is it. Is there anything in here? Yep, we also have another face mask. And this is Kelvin, so would you like to present it?
Yes.
I'm gonna put these on the side.
The reason why I picked this is because I thought it looked cool and
Show it to the camera.
dangerous and really scary. So when I would go up to people, I would act like I'm still and don't move, and then I try to scare them.
We also have another flashlight, and then this right here is our secret thing we cannot tell you until the end of the video. We're going to now start drawing on the pumpkin. We are now starting to draw on them. This is probably going to be the hardest part because you have to be a really skilled artist. And the pumpkin is like not like round, some like rough areas, and it's gonna like kind of slant. So that's why I'm kind of trying to be really neat and not mess up. And gotta make it a little darker because you see it looks dark in here, but when I draw it, it's like really, really light.
Done. Now I can probably take this off. See what it looks like.
And now I'm finished. Now, that's not pretty bad. Detailed saw is the little saws, and it says the larger areas can be carved with the colossal saw carver, which is probably these areas, because the mouth is probably really detailed. So
so that's the big one.
No, the small one we use for the
eyes.
No, we use the big one for the eyes. We're going to start making holes first, because you don't want to just cut it. Gotta make sure we get to some certain points so it doesn't, mess up. And our secret item that we were going to show you is the teeth for the pumpkin. The reason why these were secrets because I really like how they did, because I didn't know you could actually do this. I thought you just carve pumpkins, and I've never actually seen someone do this. I chose normal teeth, while my brother Kelvin chose like kind of vampire sharp saber-tooth teeth. Really hard to put it in when,
Goodness,
it's small.
Hey guys, these boys are exhausted. I don't think pumpkin carving was as exciting to them as they thought, but we do appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're gonna let them explain their final thoughts of pumpkin carving and if they plan on doing it again next year.
What I think about it was, at first it was exciting, and I started like having lots of brainstorms about what to do on my pumpkin, what to make on my pumpkin's face, and started to make it how I want to. And I did it, but it didn't really turn out like what I wanted to, but it's still really good.
What I thought it was gonna be was just like a normal pumpkin, just with teeth, and I thought it was gonna be cool because I was gonna have fangs on it and make it look like a vampire pumpkin. But when I did it, it did not look cool. So I'm definitely not doing this again.
I think they turned out great. What do you guys think? So we just want to say thank you for stopping by once again. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. All right, thanks guys.
This is a warm welcome from the bottom of our hearts from the Foreshore Family channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Until next time, see ya.